for blues like the oceans breathe, warm browns of the gentle sands, sharp greens like the forest deep, gold colors mixed with emeralds. I've seen it all, I've touched their skin, left fingerprints too far within, like a wound I never meant to make, with a heart that never learned to leave. I wanna love, I wanna trust, I wanna hold without the rest. So tell me why when I get close, something in me overdose. Under stars I stand alone, eyes closed, breathing in the cold. Every word you ever said plays like a radio in my head. You are cold, you're the warmest thing, you're nothing, you're my family. You think too much, you're not enough, you can't be your mother. You're the one, I bend, I break, I try to stay, but the rules change every day. Tell me, am I built to lose or just bruised by what I choose? I try to lick the scars off their skin. They turn me into a heart devouring thing. I try to lick the scars off their skin. Now I'm afraid of what's living in me. Is it me? Or is the world like this? Always asking, never gives. I want a friend, I want